Raise your hand if you love stuffing, that's me. And if you love sausage stuffing especially, you're not gonna wanna miss today's recipe. It's easy and fast and it's semi-homemade. You're gonna have stuffing in minutes. Before we get to the stuffing recipe, I wanna talk about one of my new favorite apps. It's the Ibotta shopping app. It's a shopping app and they also have a website extension for Chrome. And you can do all your grocery orders for either delivery or pickup through the app and you get cash back. Now starting in November, Ibotta is giving away free Thanksgiving meals while supplies last. All you have to do is shop through their app or their website extension and order these products for 100% cash back on a meal to feed a family of 5. Now when you shop in the Ibotta app, make sure to purchase the following items for your cash back. Butterball boneless turkey breast, Campbell's cream of mushroom soup, French's crispy onions, McCormick gravy, Great Value green beans, Idaho and mashed potatoes, Great Value cranberry sauce and stuffing, and 2 liters of Coke. And while you're shopping, don't forget to get everything that you need to make this sausage stuffing. It's super easy, delicious, and it's gotta be on your Thanksgiving table. For more easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. Let's get started making this easy sausage stuffing. Now, I love how simple it is because I'm starting with this stuffing mix from Great Value that I got through the Ibotta app. And it's super easy. We all have boxes of this in our pantry. Super simple to use, and we're gonna jazz it up just a little bit with some sausage and some herbs and some fresh veggies. Delicious. Prep your stuffing ingredients by dicing a half of an onion into small pieces, and then slicing up 2 ribs of celery, and mincing 1 clove of garlic. Add the sausage to a large skillet over medium heat and break it up into small pieces. Then add in your celery and onion. And you're gonna stir this together, cooking it until the sausage is no longer pink. If you need to drain it, go ahead. Otherwise, just add your garlic and cook it for another minute. Then you're gonna add your Italian seasoning, your chicken stock, and the butter. Stir that together until the butter melts and the mixture comes to a boil. Then grab your box of stuffing mix. Add your stuffing mix into the pan and stir it up to moisten all of the stuffing bits. Cover and let it stand for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, fluff it with a fork and your stuffing is ready to eat. How easy was that? This is one of the easiest and most flavorful stuffings that I've ever made, and I know I'm gonna be making it constantly all year long. Be sure to check out all the info below for all the details and how to get 100% cash back this November on some of the items that you need for your Thanksgiving meal while you're online grocery shopping. I'm about to do my grocery shopping order right now. Got my Ibotta app open. I'm gonna do that while you keep watching.